An important part of being a man is being clean. Bad hygiene destroys your health, your confidence, and your reputation. Today, we're discussing 7 sanitary habits every man must master. Habit number 1, wash your hands. Your hands are the number 1 carrier of germs and viruses. Dirty hands are the main way we get colds. You must wash them after using the bathroom, before you cook or eat, and as soon as you walk in from outside. Habit number 2, carry hand sanitizer. Public surfaces, gas pumps, door handles, shopping carts, ATMs are touched by hundreds of people every day. You should carry hand sanitizer wherever you go, just in case soap and water aren't available. Habit number 3, if you're sick, stay home. Most of us cannot afford to miss work or school every time we have a basic cold. But if you're really sick, you should stay home to get better. This will also prevent you from infecting other people. Whether it's the office, the gym, or a family gathering, constant coughing and sneezing in shared spaces is inconsiderate. A leader knows when to retreat, recover, and return at full strength. Don't wear illness like it's a badge of toughness. Protect yourself and protect your community. Habit number 4, keep cleaning products away from food. Your kitchen is where you fuel your body. Never store mops, brooms, or cleaning chemicals near your food or places where you prepare food. Cross-contamination can cause serious illness or death. Habit number 5, keep your bathroom clean. Your bathroom is where you prepare for the day. It's also where you release waste. If it's filled with odors and filth, you're starting every morning in a place of decay. Clean your sinks, toilet, tub, mirrors, and floors once a week. You should be able to invite someone into your home at any time without spending 2 hours cleaning first. Habit number 6, wash your bedding regularly. Your bed is your recovery zone. Every night you sleep, it collects your sweat, body oils, and dead skin. Wash your sheets and pillowcases regularly. You can't sleep in filth and expect to wake up feeling like a king. Habit number 7, master personal hygiene. Shower regularly, brush and floss your teeth. Wear deodorant, put on clean clothes, keep your nails trimmed, smell good. These are basic standards, yet too many men treat them as optional. Hygiene is the silent language of self-respect, confidence, and social consideration. It reveals the level of respect you have for yourself and others. Cleanliness is part of manliness. Which sanitary habit do you think is the most important? Is there one I missed? Leave your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.